Alright, so what I'm doing now is the Buff Pro polisher is excellent for your straights, for your, for the flat surfaces. But you need something for the edges. So highly recommended is a circular type of polisher that will go up to, let me get my camera straight here, 6, okay? So this particular one is the Great Neck 7-inch sander polisher, okay? Which basically means it's powerful, okay? So what I use is, in conjunction with that, this of course is my go-to, really. It's highly recommended. This is for your first run through. So let me try to show you with one hand what basically what you do for the edges, okay? And as you can see here, you kind of just tackle your edges, I think, first, all the way around the perimeter. And then you'll go around such things as doors like this, and wherever the straight can't get to. Now, as far as your aircraft remover and your lacquer thinner, you can see here where I neglected to remove some of the clear coat, and that clear coat will show through just like that. So when you see that, as opposed to running your buffer through it hardcore, I would suggest going back over those little areas that you'll find throughout the buffing process and just remove those without taxing your buffer too much. Just saying that from a word of experience. All right, so I've applied some of my Nuvite, NuShine to this little area here. Let's see what it does. Doing this with one hand, so it won't be as effective, obviously, as it would be if I was using two. But let me just see. Well, actually, you know what? I'm going to show you a before, and then I'll show you an after. So you just look at that edge right there, and then look there, and I'll do it, and I'll go to the next video, and you'll see what happens, how that turned out.